Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Tuesday the 5th of September. I'm Nigel Croft. In this video we'll be looking at the charts on the copper price, which is the code XCUUSD. The last time we looked at copper was on a video on the 19th of July. I'm really pleased to say I was bullish on the copper price in that video. Did look like it was going to break resistance. There was good momentum. Anyway, the resistance was broken. We've had a really good move since then. At the moment, we're approaching some more resistance that dates back right to the end of 2013, early 2014. But given the momentum on this copper price at the moment, I would see it moving higher further. Let's look at the charts. So here we have the daily, and you can see that we had a downtrend that got broken, and then we broke through the resistance, and it's all been one way or virtually one way since then. Very positive move on the copper price, and you can see that throughout this move that the momentum has been very strong and still remains strong. The RSI presently 78.33, and again we're reaching a high for the year, and there's no sign of a non-confirmation or any lag in the momentum. So it looks like even if we do get a consolidation, it will be short term and the momentum will take us higher. All the moving averages are moving up. They're slightly getting left behind, but don't worry about that. This market can just keep going. If there is a consolidation, they'll soon catch up anyway. And as I said, RSI solid upside momentum, as is showing the MACD. Now looking at the weekly picture, here you can see the resistance that's likely to be tested. This dates back to July 2014 and December 2013, and is around about the 330 level initially. So expect at least a move there in the over the next few weeks. And then the resistance above there is seen at about the 346 level. Here the 200 day actually still moving down, but it will start to roll. It'll be quite interesting to see when the 50 crosses the 200, whether that 200 is still moving down or has rolled. I mean, obviously it'd be more positive if it's going sideways or upwards. The 20 week obviously is moving up quite strongly now. Again, we're a bit overextended from these moving averages, and we've had 8 weeks solid uptrend on this copper price. There'd be no surprise if there were to be a slight consolidation, but as I said, the downside will be very limited, and it will continue upwards. Again, on this chart you can see that the RSI and the MACD are both indicative of very solid momentum and no sign of that changing at the moment. Moving on to the 4-hour chart, again in a solid uptrend. The moving average is again very positive. The 20 did cross the 50 back on the 17th of August, which is a very good sign, and it's 20 is given the support around about the 31st of August last week, and is again very positive that it's all moving upwards. Likewise, the RSI is at 74.01, and the MACD just maybe a narrowing between the short long, so keep an eye on that, but still indicative of upside momentum. So looking at the support and resistance levels, as I said, the initial resistance 330 from the 7th of July 14, then at 346 23rd December 13, with supports 3.0683, that's the 50 from the 4-hour, and 2.99, which is the 20-day. So thanks for watching this video on copper. All looks one way. Just to clarify the key points, don't fight that uptrend. We've got very positive momentum. All the moving averages are positive. and that resistance will be tested. Many thanks for watching the video. Please remember, these videos are for information only and in my opinions. Please read the disclaimer. Thank you.